Have we had the purple sunset yet?
I think so.
I think I want that.
It's delicious from dawn to dusk.
It sounds good.
Wait, it's after dusk though.
You look like a mad scientist making that.
Is it still delicious?
I'm Laura of All Trades, and today I'm at the Alchemy Bar on the Carnival Legend.
I like this menu. You remember my drink? I'm a creature of habit. Did you make it yesterday too?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, you see how gas prices is.
Nice, that's true, huh?
Yeah.
I guess there's a lot more other headaches you have to deal with.
Yeah, I'm not here yesterday. I was.
Yeah, we're ready.
I'm not worried about that.
I would like the purple sunset.
And I have a restorative basil drop.
Just yesterday morning, you let me know
This got this place closed at 11?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Suzanne plans to be putting it.
I got a drink left. See, that's just what
Walked
they were
down this
saying.
morning,
They were like,
and I wrote down a song. Just can't remember who sent it to.
alright, here we go.
I've seen fire, I've seen rain. Seen sunny days and I thought it never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. All that thought. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. Lord, my body is aching and my time is at hand.
Oh, Jimmy Murphy.
I won't make it any other way. Lord, I've seen fire and I've seen rain.
You're right, yeah.
Seen sunny days and I thought I'd never end.
Oh, right.
Seen lonely times that I could not find. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
Come see my show. I got jokes.
Then I'm walking out of that to an easy time. Back to the
No, I'm
old
gonna still. Don't
side.
embarrass me, bro. Don't embarrass me.
Lord knows when the cold blows, it'll turn my head around. Oh, there's hours.
Yes.
Thank you. So that was the Alchemy Bar. We love the Alchemy Bar on all of Carnival's ships. All of the cocktails on the menu are delicious, and you would also have the bartenders make something just for you by telling them some flavors that you like, and alcohol that you like, or some food that you like, and it will probably be delicious. And if you don't love it, they'll make you something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all the things. It really helps out a lot. See you next time.